Ever wondered about the pros and cons of professional mold remediation like FDP mold remediation versus DIY remedies? Well, today we're diving into that very topic. When dealing with mold, one of the top choices is professional mold remediation. This option brings to the table a wealth of expertise. These are trained professionals who know exactly how to evaluate the severity of your mold issue and offer the most effective solutions. They utilize cutting-edge equipment and techniques that ensure a thorough mold removal, and they stop the problem at its source, preventing further spread or damage to your property. Another advantage of going professional is their ability to identify the root cause of the mold growth. They can sniff out issues like water leaks or excess humidity and treat them, preventing mold from making an unwelcome comeback. And let's not forget about warranties. Professional services often come with these, offering you the peace of mind that the mold issue will be properly addressed. Now let's talk about the other side of the coin, DIY remedies. One of their biggest draws is the potential for cost savings. Especially for less severe mold problems, DIY methods can be kind to your wallet. With some good old research, a plethora of DIY mold removal techniques and products can be found. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows with DIY remedies. The main downside is the lack of professional expertise and equipment. Mold, if mishandled, can pose significant health risks. Without professional guidance, there's a risk of missing hidden mold or not completely eradicating it, putting your health on the line. Moreover, DIY remedies might only offer a band-aid solution. If the root cause isn't addressed, the mold could return faster than a boomerang, causing more damage and potentially leading to costly repairs down the line. So, what's the verdict? Both professional mold remediation and DIY remedies come with their own set of pros and cons. DIY methods might be lighter on the pocket initially, but professional services offer the guarantee of expertise, comprehensive removal, and long-term prevention. It's all about weighing these options carefully to ensure a safe and effective mold remediation process. And that wraps up our discussion for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to show some love by subscribing to our channel for more informative content on mold remediation. For real professionals, contact FDP Mold Remediation 877-421-2614.